This is a 2010 Lincoln MKS. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.7-liter V6. All of the following features are included: 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, traction control and stability control systems, steering wheel mounted gear shift, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, memory settings for the side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 32,000 miles. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Varsity Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 49251 Grand River in Novi.